So over here you can see that I have a particular scene right here, and then I have a solid layer right here with keyframes applied. So if I were to go around and press the space bar right here, just like this, let's just go around and you can see that there's this animation right here. But the animation is quite abrupt, meaning if I were to go around and press the space bar right here, you can see that it starts out quite abruptly and ends out quite abruptly right here. So in order to change that, you can utilize Easy Ease in and out. So over here, you can see that this is the keyframe right here. And let's say what you want to do is you want to go around and then make sure that it starts off slow. In that case, you can utilize Easy Ease out so that it starts out as slow. So I'm going to right click over here and you can see that ease out is an option. And what happens is that the keyframe changes, as you can see, as I do that. And now the starting is not very abrupt right here. There's like an acceleration added to it. Similarly, you can go around and add an ease in at the end, and what happens is that the acceleration is in. So slow out and slow in right here. So let me just go around over here and work around with the position right here for this one. So let's just go around and select these keyframes and delete it, and let's just see around with position. So I'm just going to copy this particular particular content out right here. And let me just go around over here and work around with the position first. So I'm just going to go around over here under effects and then delete this out right here. That is, delete out the scale over here, just like this. Let's resize this. I'm not going to keep any keyframe to this anyways. So I'm going to go around onto position right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a keyframe to the position over here, just like this. Maybe make it a bit faster right here, just like this. Let me just go around and copy and paste this out right here and keep it on the top. And this is what you have right here. So if I were to go around on this particular shape right here, I can go around and bring it down. So let's just go around onto position right here. So let's just go around over here onto this particular content right here, and then work around with it. So I'm going to go around over here on the position right here, bring the position down for this one because I'm going to go around and make a comparison and bring the position down over here. So now you can see that I got two shapes right here and they move at the same time. So let's just go around over here on the top, and over here let me just add in an ease out. So I'm going to go around over here, temporal interpolation right here, and ease out. So that is what you have to choose when you're working with position. Temporal interpolation pops up, and then I'm going to say ease in. So once you do that, what happens is that this is what you have. So you can see that the bottom one right here. So you can go around and see that the bottom one right here is slowly starting out while the top one is at the same speed, while at the end they catch up, but the bottom one right here slowly goes in. So there's a bit of acceleration and deceleration added in right there. And that is exactly how ease in and ease out works. So that is how you can add an ease in and ease out inside of keyframes, inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.